To fix the problem where your FC26 won't launch, first of all, I recommend to download your EA Play. No matter which platform you'll be using, Steam or Xbox Game Pass, you should have your EA Play installed. Sometimes it will install automatically, but as I said, just download it from ea.com, click on Join Now, then download EA app. When the app is downloaded and installed, try to launch your game again and see if it works. Then another thing that you can try to fix that problem is to open your NVIDIA app or AMD app and update your drivers. That is the common issue with games not launching. You need to have your drivers up to date. Just click on the download button and update your drivers, then try to play the game again. Next thing that you can try is to make sure that you have your time synchronized on your PC. You can open the settings on your PC, navigate to the time and language, enter date and time, and make sure that everything right here is set to on. Set time zone automatically, time automatically, and those two settings should be on. After that, you can try launching your game again. And the last thing is to just make sure that you have your hardware up for a game, and you can find the system requirements right here. If your PC doesn't meet those requirements, your game may not even open. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.